Good morning, welcome to Rachel's Wake and Bake. Today we'll be making sweet dough buns. These are the best buns ever. We're gonna first start off with 2 cups of warm water, 2 tablespoons of yeast. I just use the Fleshman's Quick Rise Instant Yeast. And we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of, and we're gonna dissolve. Just gonna mix it until it dissolves. So in a separate bowl, while your yeast is dissolving, we're gonna add 1 cup of oil, 2 eggs beaten, 1 cup of sugar, and 4 teaspoons of salt, and 2 cups of hot water. And now we're going to take our yeast. See how bubbly it is? So we are going to add this to our mixture. And we're going to gradually start to add some flour. This recipe calls for about 10 cups of flour, so it is a big recipe, but the buns freeze well. I freeze them as soon as they cool off, and they're just as fresh when you take them out of the freezer. So we'll start adding our flour. Usually start with about 2 to 3 cups, and then gradually add more as we go. So the next 3 to 4 cups, we're gonna knead it by hand. Release our surface here. Bit more flour. I'm just gonna keep kneading. Just add enough flour until it doesn't stick to the hands. Once you've got a nice soft dough, we're going to place it in a greased bowl, and we're going to flip it once to grease the top, and we're going to let this rise. We're going to cover it, and we're going to let it rise for 2 hours. Okay, we let our dough rise for 2 hours. Now we're going to punch it down. Now we're going to roll our buns. I try and make them as uniform as can be. Just going to add a little flour. We usually get about 60 buns out of one recipe, depending how big I make them. Now we're going to cover again and let rise for another 2 hours. Perfect. No one will be playing hockey with these buns. Now we're just going to top them with butter and garlic. Well, I add garlic. You don't have to add garlic. You can just butter them. Or just plain butter. Whatever you prefer. So soft.